all of this to trim. And that's Ego right there. It's a wonderful machine. I've tested it a little bit. You can see this is a super composite model for the blade well. You have here the bag versus the mulch option. You can select either fully bagging or fully mulch here, or you can choose in between half bag, and this is like half bagging and half mulching. And this is the bag. This is how you mount it, and you just lift it up. You can see I did this in the front yard, and the frame sticks out like that, and then the fabric sits underneath, and there's these loops here which goes around these bars, the frame. And then I'm gonna unload it into the composite bag right there, into the bag there, right there, that composite. So you have different options here. This is for the headlight. This is the speed of the blade. You choose it. You can go 1, 2, or turbo mode. And this is the propeller speed, self-propulsion speed. Right now it's at off. You can go to max, which will be really fast. I don't want to go that fast. And this is where the battery is. So you just push it to release it. Close it up like that. And this is the lever to adjust the handle. And you can unlock it to push it down, or extend it like that, and then lock it in place. Press on the lever, you can see that it falls down. You can adjust the height of the handle. You can go all the way like that. Or it locks into place. I make sure that it locks into place before you start, because it won't let you start unless it locks into place. Now, there are a couple of modes here in order to just activate the self-propulsion. You can just turn on the switch here by turning it on, and then just press either of these buttons. So it'll start moving, but it won't activate the blade. But on the contrary, if you want to be somewhere still and just activate the blade, you have to press this main power button and press this power button and pull the bail lever. This is called the bail lever here underneath, to get first the switch and the bail lever second, and it will not propel the lawnmower, but it would just simply start the blade. So I need to use both hands right now, so I'm gonna try and do something here. Yeah. So it's just staying still, but the blade is on. So you just release it and it turns off. Then you have both together. So for that, you just press this and the bail lever together, or one after the other, I mean, to start the blade, and then use this to move forward. So these are the couple of modes, so I'll show you that too. So you just press the first, and then press lever, start it, and then release it, and it'll stop. Now that's it for intro, and now I have to do all of this lawn. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned. I charged it overnight, but I think it was charged pretty good.